How to retire early by investing in 2025. Your path to financial freedom starts now. Master smart investing strategies to achieve early retirement and build wealth in 2025. Hey there, superstar. Before we dive into the juicy tips and strategies in this video, we need to take a quick pit stop at the fine print station. Do not worry, I promise to keep it fun. Because who said disclaimers have to be boring? Here is the scoop. Everything I am sharing in this video is for entertainment purposes only. Think of it like the glitter on a craft project. It makes things sparkle, but it is definitely not the glue holding it all together. Let me be real with you. I am not a financial guru, lawyer, or magical fortune teller. Although, let's be honest, a crystal ball would look awesome on my desk. What I am is your friendly guide, sharing ideas, stories, and strategies that might make you smile, nod your head, or even laugh out loud. Like Mike, for example. He once watched a YouTube video and thought, starting a luxury llama walking business was a brilliant idea. Turns out, llamas are not fans of blingy leashes. Who knew? If you feel inspired by something you hear today, that is fantastic. But before you go all in, make sure to run it by the pros. Financial advisors, accountants, lawyers, or that one super organized friend who somehow has spreadsheets for everything. While I am here to entertain and inspire, I cannot be held responsible if your big idea ends up being more oops than yay. So grab what resonates, do your homework, and make decisions that are as awesome as you are. Now, let's jump into the good stuff, because today's the day we start creating the life you have always dreamed of. Ever dream of retiring early and living life on your own terms? It is time to make that dream a reality in 2025. In this video, we are breaking down the step-by-step strategies to achieve financial freedom through smart investing. You will learn how to calculate your FIRE financial independence, retire early, the best investment options for 2025, from index funds to real estate, how to overcome challenges like rising costs and staying consistent with your financial goals. Packed with actionable tips, real-life success stories, and a dash of humor, this guide will inspire and empower you to start your journey toward early retirement. Want to take it a step further? Sign up for my self-paced masterclasses, group coaching, and one-on-one coaching services to get personalized support and actionable plans for early retirement. Plus, join our thriving online community of goal-getters. Click the link in the description below to start building your roadmap to financial freedom today. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who dreams of retiring early. Your future self will thank you. Imagine yourself sitting in a cozy yet professional office setup with upbeat music playing in the background, holding a coffee mug with the words "Early Retirement Vibes" written on it. Hey there, future retirees. What if I told you that retiring early is not just a dream? It is a goal you can achieve, and 2025 is the perfect year to start making it happen. If you have been scrolling through TikTok or YouTube, seeing others talk about financial freedom, it is time to stop dreaming and start planning. Today, I am going to break down exactly how you can retire early by investing wisely in 2025. We will tackle the problems you will face, give you actionable solutions, and share real-life stories to inspire you. Stick around, because at the end, I will tell you how you can join my self-paced masterclasses, group coaching, and one-on-one coaching services to fast-track your journey to financial freedom. Let's dive in. Personal Story 1: Sarah's FIRE Awakening. Sarah, a graphic designer in her 30s, always thought early retirement was something only tech billionaires could achieve. But one day, she stumbled upon the concept of a FIRE number, financial independence, retire early. While scrolling through social media, curious, she calculated hers and discovered she could retire comfortably with $750,000, far less than the million she had imagined. She started small, automatically investing $300 a month in an index fund. By tracking her progress monthly, she began to see the power of compound interest. Watching her money grow gave her confidence, and she ramped up her savings by cutting back on non-essentials, like subscription services she rarely used. Early retirement is not about having millions. It is about understanding your unique goals and taking consistent action. Sarah went from Netflix binge-watching to binge investing, and her wallet loved the plot twist. How you can do this to calculate your FIRE number. Use free online calculators to determine how much you need to retire. Start small. Automate monthly investments into a low-cost index fund, even if it is just $50 to start. Track progress. Seeing your savings grow is addictive in the best way. Review your finances quarterly, your call to action. These stories prove that early retirement is not just for the lucky few. It is for anyone willing to take consistent, intentional steps, whether it is calculating your FIRE number, exploring real estate, or leveraging compound interest. You can start your journey today. Ready to fast-track your retirement? Join my self-paced masterclasses, group coaching, or one-on-one coaching services for personalized strategies and accountability. Let's build a retirement plan that works for you. Your dream retirement is waiting. Let's make it happen together. Section 1. Why retiring early seems impossible. The problem: many people feel overwhelmed by the idea of early retirement because of financial insecurity, lack of investment knowledge, or rising living costs. The solution: know your FIRE number. For example, Sarah thought she needed millions to retire early. But when she calculated her FIRE financial independence, retire early number, she realized she could retire with $750,000. Figuring out your FIRE number is like finding out how much fuel your car needs for a cross-country trip, except the destination is permanent vacation. Here is an action step. Calculate your FIRE number using free online calculators. It is your roadmap to early retirement. Solution: to start small, think big. For example, Mike started investing just $300 a month in index funds. In 5 years, he saw his portfolio grow by 40%. Investing is like planting a tree. Start with one seed, and soon you will have enough shade to retire under. Here, an action step: set up an automatic monthly transfer into an investment account, even if it is a small amount to start. Solution 3. Understand the power of compound interest. For example, Rachel started investing at 25, while her friend Alex started at 35. By 45, Rachel had nearly twice as much saved, all thanks to compound interest. Compound interest is like a snowball rolling downhill. It just keeps getting bigger and better. Here, an action step: use a compound interest calculator to see how much you can grow your money by starting today. Section 2. Investment options for early retirement in 2025. Personal story to Mike's real estate hustle. Mike, an IT specialist, dreamed of early retirement but did not know where to start. After watching a YouTube video about house hacking, he took the leap and bought a duplex. He lived in one unit and rented out the other, using the rental income to cover most of his mortgage. Within 2 years, Mike saved enough to buy a second property. His rental income grew, and he reinvested the profits into the stock market. Mike realized he was not just saving for retirement, he was accelerating it. Leveraging real estate can fast-track your financial goals and provide steady income. Mike turned rent money into his money and became the landlord his past self wished he had. How you can do this too. Start with house hacking. Buy a duplex or triplex. Live in one unit and rent the others. Research real estate, join online groups, or take a course on property investment. Reinvest profits. Use rental income to expand your portfolio or invest in stocks. Your call to action. These inspiring stories show that early retirement is not just a dream for the fortunate. It is an achievable goal for anyone ready to take consistent, intentional steps. Whether you are calculating your FIRE number, diving into real estate, or harnessing the power of compound interest, your journey to financial freedom can start today. Are you ready to take control of your future? Join my self-paced masterclasses, group coaching, or one-on-one coaching services for customized strategies, expert guidance, and accountability. Together, we will create a retirement plan tailored to your unique goals. Your dream of retiring early is closer than you think. Let's make it a reality together. The problem: many people do not know where to start or feel overwhelmed by the number of investment options available. The solution: index funds and ETFs. For example, Sarah diversified her portfolio by investing in an S&P 500 index fund, giving her steady returns with low fees. Index funds are like the slow and steady turtle in the race to retirement. They may not be flashy, but they get the job done. Here, an action step: research index funds on platforms like Vanguard or Fidelity, and start with one that aligns with your risk tolerance. Solution to real estate investments. For example, Alex bought a duplex, lived in one unit, and rented out the other. The rental income covered his mortgage and boosted his savings. Real estate is like playing Monopoly in real life, except you get real money, not colorful paper bills. Here is an action step. Look into house hacking, REITs, real estate investment trusts, or rental properties to start building real estate wealth. Solution 3. High-yield savings accounts and CDs. For example, Mike used a high-yield savings account to store his emergency fund while earning interest, giving him peace of mind. High-yield accounts are like that quiet friend who always has your back when you need them most. Here an action step. Open a high-yield savings account or CD to safely grow your short-term savings. Section 3. Challenges of staying consistent. The problem: many people struggle to stay consistent with their investment plan due to distractions, doubts, or emergencies. The solution: automate your investments. For example, Rachel set up automatic transfers to her investment account every payday, so she never missed a contribution. Automation is like putting your finances on autopilot. Just sit back and enjoy the ride. Here is an action step. Automate contributions to your 401k, IRA, or brokerage account. Solution: to review and adjust quarterly. For example, Sarah set a reminder to review her investment portfolio every 3 months to make sure she was on track. Think of it as a quarterly date with your future millionaire self. Here is an action step schedule. Regular financial check-ins to adjust your plan based on market trends or life changes. Solution 3. Build an emergency fund. For example, Alex saved 6 months of living expenses, which kept him from dipping into his investments during a job loss. An emergency fund is like a financial safety net, because life loves to throw. Here is an action step. Set aside 10 to 15% of your income into an emergency fund before increasing your investments. Section 4. Living your early retirement dream. The problem: many people fear that retiring early means giving up purpose or living frugally. The solution: redefined retirement. For example, Sarah retired early and started volunteering for causes she cared about, keeping her days meaningful and fulfilling. Retirement is not about sitting in a rocking chair. It is about rocking your dreams. Here is an action step. Create a retirement vision board to plan how you will spend your time meaningfully. Solution: to diversify income streams. For example, Alex retired early but kept a part-time freelance gig to stay active and earn extra cash. Think of it as semi-retirement. You are still the boss of your time. Here is an action step. Explore passive income opportunities like blogging, digital products, or consulting. Solution 3. Stay socially connected. For example, Mike joined an early retiree community, finding friends and sharing tips to make the most of his retirement. Hanging out with like-minded people is like finding your tribe, except these guys bring wine and investment tips. Here is an action step. Join communities of early retirees online or locally to stay inspired and connected. Your call to action. Imagine yourself smiling with upbeat music playing in the background. All your dreams for 2025 can be a reality right now. Click the link in the description below to get started. Retiring early is not just possible, it is achievable with the right strategies, mindset, and consistency. Whether you are calculating your FIRE number, exploring investment options, or staying the course, every step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. If you are ready to supercharge your early retirement journey, join my self-paced masterclasses, group coaching, and one-on-one coaching services for personalized support and proven strategies. Plus, connect with a community of go-getters just like you. Personal Story 3. Rachel's Compounding Victory. Rachel, a 25-year-old teacher, wanted to retire early, but assumed she would never earn enough to do it. Then, she discovered compound interest. Inspired, she started investing $200 a month into an S&P 500 index fund. Over the years, her contributions grew exponentially. By the time she hit 35, Rachel's portfolio had doubled, and she was well on her way to retiring by 50. Rachel's key to success: consistency. Even when the market dipped, she stayed the course and kept investing. Her confidence grew as her wealth did. Consistency and patience with investing pay off big over time. Rachel realized her money grew faster than her favorite plant, and she did not even need to water it. How you can do this too. Start now. Time is your best friend with compound interest. Even $50 a month can make a difference. Stay the course. Market dips are normal. Ride them out for long-term gains. Automate it. Set up automatic transfers to your investment account and let time work its magic. Take the leap toward early retirement. These stories prove that early retirement is not just reserved for the lucky few. It is within reach for anyone willing to take consistent, intentional action. Whether it is discovering your FIRE number, investing in real estate, or letting compound interest do its magic, your journey to financial freedom can begin right now. Ready to shape your future and take charge of your finances? Join my self-paced masterclasses, group coaching, or one-on-one coaching services for tailored strategies, personalized guidance, and the accountability you need to stay on track. Together, we will craft a retirement plan that is as unique as your goals. Your dream retirement is not just possible, it is waning. Let's make it happen today. Click the link in the description below to get started, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a retirement glow up. Thanks for watching. You have got this.